Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to ed350 Curriculum and Pedagogy 2, Micro Teaching 1. My name is Baesi, and I'm from Somaliland. I am taking mathematics as my only major, then teaching. I'll be giving you a talk or a lesson on algebra, a fascinating subject covered in the talk that focuses on a well-known subtopic known as the simultaneous equations. This particular subtopic emphasizes three specific areas, like solving simultaneous equations grammatically. It also engages in solving simultaneous equation by substitution method and solving simultaneous equation by elimination method. There will be only one area covered in this session, which is on solving simultaneous equation by graphical method. Regarding this, the lesson goals are for students to be able to correctly plot linear equations on a graph and understand that the solutions of the system of simultaneous equation found at the intersection of the equation graphs. An additional expected result is that the student will be able to point out or understand that every linear equation represents the line of a coordinate plane, that the intersection matches the values of the variables that register both equations simultaneously, that if they haven't already, they can be converted equations to slope-intercept form, like we have y convex plus c, and to plot the y-intercept using the slope to find points in the line and draw a line, straight line through the points. The lesson topic for today is solving simultaneous equation using graphical method. I think we can see it from here, solving simultaneous equation by graphical method. Okay, that's our lesson for today. So let's get started. First, what does it mean to define simultaneous equation using movement? In short, simultaneous equation is a collection of multivariable equations that, because they share a set of variables, can be solved simultaneously. To put it plainly, these are just two equations containing two unknown. Okay, two unknown. Like in our case, we use x and y. Now, it is also important to understand that the concept of simultaneous equation is also very, very important. Briefly, it is the foundation for advanced mathematics. This basis for complex topics such as algebra, calculus, and linear programming, which is critical for students who wish to pursue careers in science, engineering, and perhaps economics. For instance, in economics, to model the supply and the demand, and perhaps in business, might be important for optimization programs. Now, what does the graphical approach or method of solving simultaneous equation mean? We must determine the values of x and y that simultaneously satisfy both equations in order to solve the simultaneous equation. Moreover, the graphical method entails mapping equations onto the coordinate plane and pinpointing the intersection where variables concurrently satisfy every equation. Now, here comes our key question. How do we actually solve simultaneous equation graphically? To be specific, that can be done in three ways. First, we might apply the construction of the table of values, where we have the x values, and then we substitute the given equation to give us the y value. And also the other one, we apply the gradient intercept method, where we'll be given the y-intercept, and then we apply the gradient to plot the new points. And then we have the intercept method, where if we want to find the y-axis or y value, you substitute x equals to 0 in the given equation, and then you can able to find the y value. Okay? But then you can see for this particular one, I might apply one example on the intercept, gradient intercept method. Now, we can see from the example, we have an example there. I can read through, I'll have the handouts, I might give you the handouts so that you look through it. Like it says in example, I solve the following pair of simultaneous equation graphically. So we have x plus y equals to 4 and 2x plus y, 4y equals to 8. Now, how do we solve that? That's a key question for us. You can see from there, if the equation is not given in that form y equal to mx plus c, then it is important that you change to that form of gradient intercept form y equal mx plus c, where m is the slope of the gradient and c is the y-intercept. Second is step number 2, plot the equation x plus y equal 4. So you can see from there, x plus y equals to 4 is not in that form y equal mx plus c. So it is important that you rearrange that. You have y equal to negative x plus 4. And then from there you can plot. You can find the y. Okay? In that case, you can identify from the rearrangement, you have y equal to negative x plus 4. Okay? So when you rearrange that, y equal to negative x plus 4, that gives you the value of y-intercept, which is equals to 4. And then you have the gradient is negative 1. But take note that negative 1 is equal to, take note, you can write it like this. This negative 1 gives you the y movement, and this positive 1 gives you the x movement. Okay, take note of that. So this is why we have a negative 4 as the y-intercept, and then we move 1 unit right and 1 unit down to plot another point, 1, 3. So you can see from the graph, we have the y-intercept is 4, okay? Following that, move 1 unit across and 1 unit down, okay? And you can see there, for there 1 unit, 1 unit across, 1 unit down, 1 unit across, 1 unit down, okay? So you can see this point, 1 unit across, 1 unit down, across down. So there you are, you have that point there, okay? And then you draw a straight line through these points. I think that one is very clear. Now step number 3, move on to the second equation. You have 2x plus 4y equals to 8. Take note 2x plus 4y is not given in that form mx, y equal mx plus c. So we have to rearrange that. When you rearrange that, you should have a new equation. Okay, in that form where it's negative half x plus 2. Okay? So from the negative half x, take note there, okay, the gradient we have is negative half, and the y-intercept is what? Positive 2. So there you are, identify the positive 2 from your graph, okay, that negative half, take note we have the negative 1, so you have this one now, the numerator is the y movement, the denominator is the x movement. So you have, this is 2, you move across 1, 2, x, and then 1 unit down, and 1, 2, 1 unit down. Okay? Now you can see, after that, you can draw the line. Okay, you can draw the line. Now, after drawing the line, take note, student. You can see clearly, plain and clear, the intersection point on the x-axis. Okay? So take note in that. Now, find the intersection point. From the graph that you draw, you can notice that the intersection point is 4, 0, 4, 0. Okay? Take note on that one. So x now equals to 4 and y equals to 0. Now, check, make sure that the coordinate intersection point satisfy both equations. So you have x plus y equals to 4. The first one, x plus y. So x plus y equals to 4. Your x now is 4 plus y is 0. And then you have, so you have 4 equals to 4. So that satisfies that equation. And then the other one we have 2x. 2x plus 4y equals to 8. Okay, take note there, 2x is 4 here. Okay, plus 4 times 0. Okay, 4 times 4 equals to 8. So we have 8, 8. Okay, that's satisfied. The third signal means the correct value of x is 4 and the correct value of y is 0. Now, if there is no other question, we will move straight to our active B as part of our lesson today. There is a prepared worksheet I prepared for you. Now you can see that there are instructions given. And you can see, look through. I guess most of them are tools you can able to read from the given instruction. We have changed its equation in slope-intercept form. You can do that. And then use the gradient in the y-intercept to graph each line. Find the point of intersection of the two lines, which will give the solution to the this equation. We check the solution by substituting the x and y values into original equation. Okay, the problem now, solve the pair of equations using the graphical method, okay, the gradient intercept form. So you have x plus y equals to 5 and 2x plus y equals to 8. Now you can see that there are questions for you. Step number 1, change to gradient intercept form. So you are given there, rearrange it, mx plus c, y equal to blank space, you have to fill in that. Then you must give its gradient, give its y-intercept, and equation 2 will do the same. 2x plus y equals to 8. Take note, you must give its rearrange that. Okay, there is a blank space there. And then give its gradient and give its y-intercept. After that, step 2, you have to plot that using the coordinate point or coordinate plane given there. Okay. And then step 3, you have to give solution, the points in which those two lines intersect. And step number 4, it's good that you prove whether x and y values are correct values. And you have follow-up questions there. What does the gradient of line represent? How does the y-intercept help in grabbing a line? Explain the single point intersection when solution of this equation. Okay, so those are the questions in the worksheet in which I prepared for you. But because we're running out of time, let's just quickly give the answer, solution to the questions that are given in the worksheet. Take note, step number 1, x plus y equals to 5. Take note, you must rearrange that. So x plus y equals to 5. When you rearrange that, you should have y equals to negative x plus 5. Okay, that should be given in the first blank space. There you are, its gradient. Take note, the gradient now, m should equals to negative 1, and the y-intercept should equals to 5. Okay? Take note, that's for the first equation. Second equation, 2x plus y equals to 8. Now you have to rearrange that. 2x plus y equals to 8. Okay, now y equals to, so when you rearrange that, y should be 2x plus 8. Okay? Take note, now the gradient should equal to negative 2 and the y-intercept should equal to 8. Okay? Take note on that one. So those are the expected solutions that you're supposed to give to step number 1. Now step number 2, they ask you to plot. Make sure that you plot them correctly. Okay, so you have for the first equation 0, 5. You can see from the graph 0, 5. And then you have you have to run m equals to negative 1. So it's the movement you expect there. Take note, 1 unit across, okay, this is 1 unit across, and 1 unit down. Okay, you can run it in the same pattern, and you should have your x-intercept, it should be 5, and the y-intercept, it should be 5. Okay? And that's the first one. The other one, you should have 8, you have 8 there, and then again you have the gradient is negative 2, so 1 unit movement across, then 2 units down, okay? Then you should reach there 6, then 1 across, 2 units down, okay? There you should have the x value in the graph, the line cuts the x-axis, it's 4, and the y value in which the line cuts the y-axis is 8. Okay, so take note on that one. Now the solution is there. Now from the graph shown, the intersection point of those two lines, you can see, okay, they give us what? X equals to 3 and the y equals to 2. Y equals to 2. Now substitute the values of x and y to the original equation to check your solution. So x plus y equals to 5, so that means x is 3 and y is 2, so 3 plus 2 equals to 5. That proves that value is correct. The other equation, 2x plus y equals to 8. So x we have is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, plus y which is 2, so 6 plus 2 equals to 8. So that proves the correct answer for that particular question. Now, we have the follow-up question. You should have given the solution to that one. What does the grain of a line represent? Take note, maybe in other answers you might give, that it represents the rate of change. After the rate of change, we have the variables there, maybe the y, and as well as the rate of change, the x-axis. But then we have the ratio, which is y on x, okay? We have the ratio y on x, which is the common ratio for that particular question. And then the second question, where it asks there, we have how does the y-intercept help in grabbing a line? Take note, the way it helps in grabbing a line, the y-intercept is the starting point after whenever you grab a line. Explain the significance of point of intersection and solving simultaneous equation. Take note when solving simultaneous equation, the significance of the point of intersection, this gives you the exact values of where the variables they both satisfy. X and y equation 1 are satisfied with x and y equation 2. Okay? So there you are, you can see those are the solutions to the worksheet in which we have gone through. Okay? So take note, you can check through those one. Now, coming down to the conclusion part, once you look into looking at the how simultaneous equation was solved graphically, it is important that it must be first rearranged in that form y equal to x plus c. Okay? Because it is important that you identify the y-intercept and then you apply the value of the gradient to move across, and then move down. It depends on the gradient given. Okay? And then finally, after you have located the points, you can draw in the line, and before you can identify the intersection point. Take note the key statement there, class. The key statement for this lesson, when solving simultaneous equation graphically, take note the point of the graphs intersects gives you the value of x and y. So with the question that they say solve for x and y, when you graph those two equations, where they intersect, you can easily pick the x value and the y value. And so, class, take note with the understanding of the example given, with the understanding of the worksheet that you have done, I believe you can do this homework question, page number 5, question A to F for your homework. Okay? So once you have any question, you can do so now. But those are the questions I believe from the understanding you can able to do the homework question that I've been given there in page number 5. So with that one, class, okay, I think those are the important areas that I'd like us to cover them today. Okay, because of that one, I gotta take the time to thank you everyone for your participation, for your cooperation, and take note in our next class we will look at the next calculation of simultaneous equation, that is on substitution method and maybe elimination method. So thank you very much everyone for your participation. Thank you for your listening. I think our class ends there. Goodbye everyone. Thank you.